How to choose your sign-in account from My Social Security. 1. Go to ssa.gov and choose to create a My Social Security account. 2. Decide whether to use login.gov or id.me. Both are secure and meet federal standards. 3. Login.gov is a U.S. government service. .id.me is a trusted private provider. 4. You'll need a personal email address, a form of ID, driver's license, state ID, or passport, your Social Security number, a way for multi-factor authentication, phone app or security key, a device to take, upload ID photos, a U.S. phone number. 5. If you live outside the U.S. or don't have an SSN, you must use id.me. 6. If you don't have a valid driver's license or state ID, choose ID. Me can use passport or expired ID. 7. If your phone plan isn't in your name. 8. With login.gov, you may need to verify by mail or at a U.S. post office. With id.me, you can verify through a video call. Based on your answers, select the option login.gov or id.me that best fits your situation and follow the on-screen steps to create your account.